everyone, welcome back to another health talk show. It's still your girl, Cecelia O show. If you're new to this YouTube channel, this is Cecelia O YouTube channel. And welcome. On today's health talk show, I'll be talking about the nutritional benefits of eating green apples. Today's health talk show, I'll be talking about the nutritional benefits of eating green apples. And today's topic, I title it Green Apples Anti-Aging Secret. And before I dive into the health benefits of eating green apples, I would like to talk about the nutritional factor in green apples. Scientifically, it has been proven that green apples is loaded with a lot of nutrients, vitamins, and some of the nutrients we can find in green apple are vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin K, fiber, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties. Some of the antioxidants which are present in green apples are quercetin, catechin, and chologenic acid. Some of the antioxidants which are also called phytogenic chemicals that are present in green apples are quercetin, catechin, and chologenic acid. And these antioxidants actually help to reduce free radical cells in the body, which can cause diseases and which can increase aging. And presence of these antioxidants in green apple actually slow down aging. And some of the nutritional health benefits, according to the research out there of eating green apples, it has been scientifically proven that eating green apples can actually help to increase metabolism. It can also help to improve liver functions. Another scientific research out there also proved that eating green apples can help us to lose weight and lose body fat. And another research also proved that eating green apples in women can help to improve bone function and to control osteoporosis in women. Eating green apples can actually help us to improve our vision. It can help us to have glow and beautiful skin, and also help us to grow our hair. And lastly, there is a scientific research out there that shows that eating green apples can help to reduce high cholesterol and blood pressure. And also, it can help to prevent diseases in the body, such as lung cancer and skin cancer. So, here are the nutritional and health benefits of green apples. And in today's video, I will be showing us how we can make a green apple smoothie at home to have all those nutritional benefits and also to slow down aging. So please relax and let's enjoy today's video together. I will be showing us how we can make a green smoothie apple to get all these nutritional benefits and all the health benefits. And to make the green smoothie apples, I'll be using a couple of ingredients. I have the green apples, which I'll be using today as the main ingredients. And also, I'll be blending the green apples with spinach. On this plate, I have spinach. And I'll be adding probiotic yogurt to blend this. You can substitute this with any milk of your choice. And I'll be adding water to blend. So please relax, sit back, and let's enjoy today's video together. Remember an adage that says, eating an apple a day keeps the doctor away. And God has created all these roots, tubers, fruits, vegetables for our use. Please, let's take good advantage of this to reduce and slow down aging. I have 5 apples, green apples, which I already washed, which I'll be using. So now I'll be adding the spinach. Now I'll be adding the probiotic yogurt. And like I said, you can add any milk of your choice. Adding the probiotic yogurt. And now I'll be adding water. And the next thing is to blend. So now the green hopper smoothie is done. And I have ice in this cup. Please try this, and thank you so much for staying tuned to the end of today's Health Talk Show. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.